happy, heartwarming scenes, and important charm. So charming, sweet, pure. You just want to hold on to it forever, and that's what makes us feel happiness. Uy, basa ko muna ito.
Tell me if I made it too sweet.
Don't worry, Poppy will guide you. Your turn. This one, do this one.
Here you go, kid.
And
Hey,
glue.
here you go, kid.
This one. Hug time. Happy smiles, happy thoughts, happy dreams, happy
What
hopes.
about this?
I'm already reading that. They do last forever, don't they, Arthur? Gordon G Educational Center, the one of a kind children's educational museum program here in Miger. It is the shutdowns on the 29th of June due to the quiet naman allegation and lack of safety regulation. It's a happy place for everyone, after all. Delilah, you gotta be kidding me. I ain't gonna make them work without them getting the cat. Well, what's going on here? Let me ask you something, Elon. Are you happy here? Boy, am I the happiest of them all. You truly are one of a kind. Then I too am happy that I can fully trust you with this operation, Dandy. If it makes my friends and this place happy once again, sure. Dandy, truly one of a kind, truly weaker than a rabbit, stupid than a donkey. And now Arthur's gone, Devon is gone, and I don't even get to say that. And you're gone too. But that doesn't mean everything's done and dead. That ain't that right, Delilah? O, ikaw dito. Ikaw dito. Sa pang white things dito. Delilah.
Delilah, I am writing this to you because I am just puzzled
Everything.
everything about this. We need to meet.
Please,
we
naman pasa.
We need to talk. I know
Dito na lang ako dito. Dito na lang.
you keep
Reassuring
visiting
me
me
that
that what happened wasn't due to anything you had done. Yet I feel if we still need to talk about this.
Oh, do this. You had to have known what this could happen to him. You had to have known that this would be a possibility. If you did, why didn't you tell anyone? Why didn't you tell me? Something like this doesn't just happen.
View Park.
Yep, I guess we can say that. Authorities declared that this
Done
place
and
is
dead.
shut down for good. So Garden View is just that, down and dead, down and dead. Okay. Yeah.
Done dead.
Mm,
School field trips, interviews, birthday, 30, request, 0. I was literally just talking with Cosmo about the main special cookie for the kids and that won't be happening anymore.
Hype it down. You're gonna wake everyone up. Well, days had already died out. Did the lack of visitors and staff presence not give you a hint, Sprout? Mumble.
I know that, but some didn't.
Arthur.
Arthur never. I thought it was
No.
Arthur. And what about this? Snap.
Yes. Okay, ito naman.
We were stupidly informed.
The flower talk, Sprout. I think that's enough information. We are shut down for good. Ito naman.
This can be. This sucks. Everything is just gone. Our day today.
To our
Today.
day
Our
today.
day today. Our day today.
Di mo pa alam
Wait, is schedules.
schedules. Di mo pa kayo
I said schedules.
schedules.
Is schedules. I feel is
Of
schedule
telling children.
of telling children stories, teaching
Moral values.
more values. What are we without the kids, the children? Who are we without
Arthur and
Dahlia?
Delilah. This is just bullshit. Ay, lalaki pala siya. Lalaki. Ikaw na lang dito. Huwag ka ma-shit. Huwag kang...
What is the skull?
Look at this.
Look at this. Killer Children's Museum, really? Controversy
This might take us
against Garden View claims staff members died due to one of the mascots known as Toons. Oh, for squeeze sake and the comments. Oh, the place burns.
Oh, Hannah. Hannah yan. Akala ko ka na rin eh.
Akala ko si Cassidy.
Hindi na pupunta yan.
Hope,
Hindi ka,
hope the
Oh, ikaw daw.
may tayo ng tiyan na.
Down. What the hell? I knew this would happen. I mean,
Akala
those
Hannah.
cartoon characters were already weird to exist in real life anyway. Especially the strawberry look like you cooked the children, lol. Oh my god, I'll tell you no. I'll let you know what I worked alongside Sprout for many years. This thing doesn't know what they're talking about. God, what a dick sound.
Magkano ka na? Ingay mo na naman eh.
Devin, I woke up in the morning. I woke up in the morning, drove to Garden View, and the next thing I knew, we fired. People are shit talking about the tunes. Arthur started interviews from left and right, and Delilah went off the grid. So no, I will not come down. I'm about to take a taxi. Are you gonna check it with Dandy? No, make a no farewell. I don't want Dandy to see me send off. Though I know he's already gone. But saying goodbye is just disheartening for them. Especially Dandy. Dandy. Hello, it's Dandy. So long. Oh, it's uploading. Uploading one video so long. Sorry, all fams. I'm new to this game, so I hope up every day. Like hello, beautiful. Hello, fellow subscribers. It's nice to see you again. Okay, hope you have a nice day. Because it's been 8 minutes and 26 seconds. Are you finished? We are not gonna finish this. I'm too tired to do this now. But you look beautiful.
Can you search your profile in YouTube?
Oh, sure. Just hold on, yo. I'm gonna show you my YouTube channel.
Did you remember you hurt yourself?
Yeah, but
Did you know the bloated and
then look at this. Look at this. Look what I did. Look
Look
at this. 1,600 views.
Hala. Medyo.
Okay.
Okay. Patingin na ano dyan yung...
What?
Thank you.
I'm too bored, so I'm just...
Did you listen for life?
No, I forgot. I'm too lazy.
Okay.
But we're doing a comic club on his YouTube channel, so we'll get something or something.
Siya na makailangan pantawagan ng ines.
sweet.
Ma'am, kapag po di po yan pumupunta dito, ibig sabihin po, naglalaro pa po yun.
Look what I said. Look what I said whenever it was this one. Get a life after like get a life. I'm sorry if I'm mean or something. He's blushing and like this life.
Alam ko ba't this life?
Let me try this one. I'm sorry. Well, I'm a child. I'm a child. I'm a child. Go get your own seat. This is where. Do you want to read the comic club still?
Ready, dito muna po.
I actually had to cough one time. It cuts my breathing.
When you cut, what does that mean to you?
Like that.
What does that mean to you?
Let me just type something. Verimob. Yes, it's called Verimob. You don't know Verimob, so.
I don't know.
Then get your data. Oh my god, look at the PFP. Oh my god, look at the PFP. I can't do it. Look at this.
Too cute.
I'm too lazy, so let me just.
But the present creature
Yeah, we
got us.
did.
He's dying first again. But actually,
Yeah, just hold on, just hold on.
this looks so familiar.
Mom, I promise I'll be better. I won't kill anyone. I promise.
Verity.
Don't leave. I beg.
Verity.
Please, 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 please.
Are you half day?
Boy,
No.
Verity.
Tomorrow?
No. It's on Thursday and Friday. Look. Look at them.
Ma'am, bukas po half day lang po
Be.
kami.
Look at this.
Apo, kasi daw po, hatid daw po si si Ma'am Leia sa may program.
Be,
Apa.
tignan mo. Look at them, it's crying.
Is that
Oh my god, I'm tired. Guys, we're gonna do